Hi everyone! Welcome back. Today is day 9 of Artist Trading Card a Day 2020. I hope you guys are jumping in, and even if you make one, it's just a fun challenge. So today I'm using, still stash busting, things I have in my stash. I'm using regular magazines that you can get just about anywhere, and I'm using these Crayola Art with Edge glitter markers. They were gifted to me from Lynn, so thank you, Lynn. The magazines I'm using one homeware magazine, and it is a Gundren Sojin catalog. And the other one I'm using is Edible Hawaiian Islands. And for those of you that don't know, I live in Hawaii. Both of those are free magazines. So in the Edible Hawaiian magazine, I found a picture of sprinkles, and it just made me happy. You know, don't you keep stuff sometimes and you're wondering, like, I really love this. I don't know what I'm ever going to use it in. Well, here you go, using it in my stash. But this just goes to show you don't really need any expensive supplies to join in to this artist trading card challenge. It's been fun. So I, scoured for some words and I found some of those. And then I also am going to edge the ATC with the glitter markers, which I have to say, they're fabulous. They're really sparkly. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope you're finding some time to just art it out. I'm certainly trying every day to art a little bit more and art a little bit more, to find that zen in the moment of arting. If you haven't tried these markers, I think you can probably get them because they're made by Crayola. You can probably get them just about anywhere, probably at a big box store. So I found the words I found came from that Spring Homeware Gundren Sojin catalog. And I'm just going to use a glitter marker to draw around the edge of it as well. Sort of like outlining it the way you might use anything. A Stabilo or a art marker or ink. This was a really fun ATC. So it's not too late to join in. And until next time, as always, from my heart to your heart, I'm sending you so much aloha. Take care. Bye for now.